Hello everyone, I am Aling JPI Abraham, a third-year student, IT Department of Data Center College of the Philippines, Lawag City, INC. 21 years old, last child with 2 siblings and living with my sister. And I am from a broken family. And I am good at playing basketball, enjoying adventures, and of course, trying to figure out things I think I can't do. I love going to church on Sundays and actively participating in different activities of youth during Friday night. I want to learn a new things by simply allowing myself to involve in any situation where learning is always available. Indeed, life is not always in our side. Sometimes it knocks us real hard to give a lesson, whether to take it passively or let it break into pieces. God allow us to experience obstacles and trials to strengthen our faith in Him, and at the same time, to know that He is able and nothing is impossible with Him. And that's a little of a crack, shell of myself. I hope we all can get along together.